Is your business struggling with data breaches, unauthorized access, or compliance risks? Concerned about the vulnerability of your Power BI environment? Technology Q has the solution. Our Power BI Data Protection and Security Toolkit enhances security, monitors data access, and safeguards your most valuable asset, your data, with advanced monitoring and controls. We help you stay compliant and secure, giving you peace of mind. Our user-friendly interface allows quick access to detailed reports, making it easy to monitor and secure your Power BI system. Now let's dive into some of the key reports that will provide the most value to your business. First, let's start with Monitor and Review Unauthorized Data Sources. This report helps you identify and monitor any unauthorized data sources connected to your Power BI environment. By flagging suspicious data connections, it ensures that only approved data is used in your reports and dashboards. This reduces the risk of data breaches and maintains the integrity of your analytics. Next, we'll explore how you can control access with Workspace Access Control. This feature enables you to manage who can access specific workspaces. By controlling permissions, you can ensure that only authorized personnel interact with sensitive data. This tight control reduces insider threats. Speaking of sensitive information, let's explore how our toolkit protects it with Monitor and Restrict Access to Sensitive Data. Designed to protect sensitive information, this report identifies reports with sensitive data and allows you to restrict access if required. By enforcing strict access controls and tracking data interactions, you can prevent unauthorized use and comply with data protection laws. In addition to the key reports we've just covered, our Power BI Data Protection and Security Toolkit offers over 20 other detailed reports. These reports cover everything from data governance, system auditing, and application control to advanced data monitoring. Together, they ensure comprehensive protection and give you full visibility into every aspect of your Power BI environment, so you can address all your security and compliance needs effectively. So, are you ready to secure your Power BI environment and protect your data? Let's contact Technology Q today.